Named for Helen Flanders Dunbar, who played a fundamental role in the early stages of CPE, the Helen Flanders Dunbar Award was established in 2001 for pioneering contributions to the CPE movement. This year, ACPE is proud to honor ACPE psychotherapist Russell Siler Jones with the 2021 Helen Flanders Dunbar Award. Russell is a pastoral counselor in Asheville, North Carolina, and has been the lead developer of ACPE's Spiritually Integrated Psychotherapy program. He is the director of the residency in psychotherapy and spirituality for CareNet Counseling and the Wake Forest Baptist Health System, author of a book on psychotherapy and spirituality, and an invited speaker at trainings and conferences across the country. Russell's parents were both public school educators and taught him by example the value of education and a life of service. Russell holds a BA from Furman University, a Master of Divinity from Southeastern Baptist Theological Seminary, and a Doctor of Theology from Columbia Theological Seminary. He did his first unit of CPE in 1984, a CPE residency at Grady Hospital in Atlanta, and 2 units of supervisory education at the Quillen VA Medical Center in Johnson City, Tennessee. He also spent 2 years working in a community mental health center, 3 years as an associate pastor, 5 years as a hospital chaplain, and 4 years as a pastoral counseling resident at the Georgia Association for Pastoral Care in Atlanta. Since 1996, he and his wife Janine have been therapists in Asheville, North Carolina, and they have 2 adult children. In 2008, Russell was recruited by CareNet Counseling and the Wake Forest Baptist Health System to re-establish its counselor training program. As director of the CareNet Residency in Psychotherapy and Spirituality, he collaborates with CPE educators to teach and supervise therapists during the first 3 years of their careers. Under his leadership, the CareNet residency has grown to include 15 to 20 therapists in training each year. Russell is the author of Spirit in Session, Working with Your Client's Spirituality and Your Own in Psychotherapy. This text is widely used in graduate degree counseling programs and in some CPE training programs. He also writes an online spirituality column for Psychology Today and introduces ACPE to groups across the country as a speaker at conferences and training events. Russell has served in numerous leadership roles in AAPC and ACPE. He is currently a member of ACPE's Psychotherapy Commission and was chair of AAPC's Southeast region during the years it grieved its decline and re-envisioned a mission for the future. That re-envisioning led to the development of what would become ACPE's Spiritually Integrated Psychotherapy program. The SIP program helps therapists learn to work effectively with spirituality and religion in the context of psychotherapy. It takes the wisdom of the pastoral counseling tradition, translates it into language and skills accessible to therapists without formal education or training in spirituality, and delivers it in a continuing education format similar to therapists. Russell co-wrote the curriculum for the SIP program, trained a network of SIP trainers, works with the ACP Psychotherapy Commission and ACPE staff to develop infrastructure to deliver the program, and is the principal investigator in a research study to measure the efficacy of the training. One of his nominators writes, "In addition to all I've said about Russell professionally, he's someone I trust to be clear, honest, compassionate, and thoughtful. Anytime I see his face, hear his voice, see the twinkle in his eyes, and feel the love he communicates just by his presence, I feel better." Please join us in congratulating Russell Siler Jones with ACPE's 2021 Helen Flanders Dunbar Award.